They'll select 3 players.
Not wrong.
I know.
Okay, Seth.
How's it feel?
It feels like we shouldn't have been that close to have to come down to the wire to make the playoffs, because I think we're a really good team, and I'm not just saying that because it's our team. I think we are a good team, and we're going to start seeing glimpses of that. So see you in Portland in September, like 19 months from now. See you then.
We bowled well, and they got very lucky.
Okay.
There's one specific person.
Better be lucky than good.
Missed the headpin 3 shots. One of them struck, backdoored it, and that was kind of how we went out. So right now, here's the situation. We were fighting for the 2 seed. We can still fight for the 2 seed, basically. Akron is about to lose this match, it looks like. We need Akron to lose again. We need to win, and then we'll have a 2 seed, which is a first round bye.
good.
Oh, great shot. Whoa.
We bowled well. We got some good breaks against us, some bad breaks for us. And then the second match, we didn't really deserve to win the second match. We bowled really bad the first game, pretty good the second game, and then lost in the roll-off when they got 30. It's tough because we could have won both and locked in a 2 seed, which would have given us a bye in Portland, which is always important. You know, it's nice to have less games that you have to win. We didn't do that, so we don't have a bye. Good news, we're still going to Portland. Also good news, felt like I threw it pretty good, so we're ready for tomorrow. TOC.
Yeah, man, we just had 2 guys throw 1 bad shot, and it wasn't the same ones. Like, we just kind of rotated through who was throwing a bad shot, and we just never, like,
Connected a bunch.
yeah, we just never did it. That's the difference of getting your cheeks clapped or clapping cheeks. So we got them clapped, that's for sure.